Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Right now I'm trading USdCad. Okay, so I want to quickly give you my entry reasons and the analysis I did before entering this trade. Okay, so this is a 15 minutes chart. Okay, so each candle represents 15 minutes, as you already know. So right here you can see this big bullish candle. All these bullish candles you see here moving up, they were caused due to the news. Okay, due to the news yesterday. All right, and one thing I've come to realize about these candles that come up when you have a news event is that 80% of the time, not all the time, 80% of the time there is always a correction. Like the market will always want to, if the what's it called, if the move during the news was bullish, market will want to correct in a bearish manner. Okay, so when the bullish momentum ends, you will have gradual correction. You will notice that if it is bullish, market will want to start printing bearish candles at some point. That's after the bullish momentum has ended. Okay, so I simply wait to see some weakening in the momentum, be it bullish or bearish. If it is bearish, it implies that you would start seeing correction in the bullish sense. Okay, so when these bullish candles happened, you can see all these bullish candles. Okay, so I started noticing weaknesses. You can see bearish candles started coming in around here. All right, showing that the bullish momentum is going down. Okay, is reducing. So I started looking for opportunities to do what? To sell. Okay, opportunities to go shorts. Let me zoom this in. What do we have right here? So we have consecutive bearish candles. This is a clear sign that definitely bullish momentum is gone and we are gradually becoming bearish. After these consecutive red candles, I noticed a correction. Definitely, unless it's a news event. It's when you have news events, you just see candles following each other back to back, big candles. Okay, following each other in a certain direction, bullish or bearish. But if it's not news events, if it's just normal trading, definitely after consecutive candles, be it bullish or bearish, you will always have small correction, or what we call retracement or pullback. Anytime you are comfortable with, you can call it pullback. So I waited for this pullback to happen, and it formed the continuation pattern, this pullback here. Okay, so the pullback happened, formed the continuation pattern. I drew these two lines to mark out that area. Okay, so when the lower part of my pattern got broken, which is this part, got broken, I entered. So you actually have two options. You either enter once it gets broken, or you can decide to wait for retest. The problem with that is sometimes it might not retest. So it now depends on you and your own risk appetite. So what I did, I entered immediately it was broken, because I was 80% certain based on my knowledge of what happens after news events. Okay, it's not every time. Sometimes it does not work out like that. That's why I said 80%. There's still that 20% margin of error. But if you know how to do your risk management and money management, that won't be a problem. You won't always be correct. Okay, and it does not matter. The bottom line is you must be profitable. Okay, where did I place my stop loss? I want to quickly explain that. So I placed my stop loss above the highest point of the correction. Okay, highest point of the pullback. You have the highest point of the pullback here. Excuse me, highest point of the pullback there. Then I placed my stop loss just a few pips above that level, because if it wants to retest, definitely it shouldn't get up to that level. That level is the highest point. Okay, so if it wants to retest, it's going to retest somewhere around here, which is exactly what happened. So placement of stop loss also matters. So you can see where I placed my stop loss. Let me take this down to show you where I placed my take profits. See where I placed my take profits right here. You can see. So this is almost a 1:5 risk to reward ratio. But something happened. These are 15 minutes candles, the patience to actually sit down and wait for the trade to play out is not that easy. Okay, so I went on my day, I was just doing other things. I wasn't watching the charts. This market, this particular trade has given me up to $120. Okay, probably if I was watching this, I would have been tempted to just quickly close the trade around that $120, but I wasn't watching this. Okay, so I would have taken partials when it has given me at least up to $100, but I wasn't watching the trade. And look at what happened. We have a retracement. So market moved up towards my entry position, and right now I'm just in a little bit of profit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take partials and then probably move my my stop loss to break even and allow the trade to run. Okay, so I think I have a profit of about $20 now in the position I'm in. Okay, about $29. Okay, that's where swinging between 29 and 30. So basically that's just what I have for you today. If you have any question in terms of the analysis, you can ask me. Why did I place my take profit there? That's a good question. Let me explain. Okay, definitely I can decide to place my my take profits here. Okay, because that's where the bullish move started. So the correction is supposed to cover the whole distance. All right, it's supposed to cover the whole distance. So I expect price to still dance and go below this level. So I would have placed my take profit there, but I wanted to get out of the trade a little bit faster. All right, somebody else can decide to put his TP here. So this part will be TP1, then this will be TP2. Someone else can do that, but I'm getting out of the trade at exactly where I placed my TP. Okay, but I'm also thinking of taking partials. I can just take a small amount of, move my stop loss to break even, then allow the trade to run to my take profits, or probably it takes me out on break even. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.